Okay, so we are doing an open box reveal for the Apple Watch. And so we got a box of mail, of course, had plastic on it. And I was really excited and wanted to open it without you guys, but Lori's the one that mentioned this, and so I said, oh, okay, I'll do a reveal. So this is it. It comes in the box, and then you've got this deal right here. And then you're gonna pull this guy right here, and that unseals it. And then we're gonna open this up right here. Actually, before we do that, I'll show you what's inside of here. So there's all kinds of other goodies. Inside of here, we've got all of the watch goodies, these things, some sheets, with all of the information, the Apple Watch, faces and apps, notifications, glances, tells you about it. It's inside of here. That's the regulation sheet. Inside of the box, you've got a smaller, which is your small and your medium watch strap that you can take and add on to the watch itself, because apparently it comes with the large. You have a really long cable to charge. I'm gonna open that guy up. Of course, it's different from your iPhone and whatnot because it has this where it just attaches to the back. So that's that. There it goes. Take all these goodies off of here. So it attaches right to the back and charges, magnetic. Same kind of square thing, just like with the iPhone and iPad. So now we're going to open this up. I'm going to move this out of the way. All right. Now for the watch itself. Okay. Oh, there it is. Look at that. It's got a nice, soft faux leather interior that's against the face of it. And this is the watch itself. Of course, it comes like this. It tells you how the clasps work right here. So you can see how they go through in this sport version of the watch. Take these guys off. And you folks who've used Apple products know that anything that you get from Apple comes with these wonderful little deals around everything, covering every face. So you can see it here. There's the sensors on the back. And there's the power button, and here's the Apple Watch powering up. The first thing I do anytime I get an Apple product is I open it up and immediately put on some kind of protecting for the screen. I've got an armor suit here. So before I would do anything else, and I really use this product, I get this guy out. So this is armor suit. My first Apple Watch, so I don't know how this works for the Apple Watch per se, but they're all similar to iPhones and whatnot, their products. So in that you get cleaning cloth, of course something to get it on there. And the protector itself is in here. Instructions. There it is. It looks like that's two of them. So there's one here for the face of the watch. And this, you have to make sure you get the right size because there's a 32 and a 38 and a 42. So you get the right one. I'm just going to put this guy right on the main part of it. And look, right on time. It's ready for the next thing. So this on here. Touch screen. So it's starting to set up. And that is the Apple Watch straight out of the box. I have to finish this setup on a later video. That's it, folks.